Hello everyone, today we will be discussing the topic of Prosperity Passport, Masa and CeloSoulboundToken-powered Web3 identity solution for real-world utility. Masa, the first Ethereum virtual machine, EVM, compatible soulbound token, SBT, protocol, has announced its deployment on Celo, an EVM-compatible, carbon-negative blockchain. The deployment of Masa on Celo is a collaboration that began in 2021 when Masa won the grand prize for Celo Camp Batch 4. The new deployment will use the soulbound token technology to enable over 10 million unique Celo wallets to generate a Prosperity Passport and claim a .celo domain name. The Prosperity Passport is a soulbound token-powered Web3 identity solution that will unlock on-chain tools and real-world utility built by the mission-driven Celo ecosystem. This collaboration between Masa and the Celo Foundation is aimed at promoting mainstream adoption of blockchain technology and advancing human-centric usability of Web3 by everyday users around the world. The Prosperity Passport, developed with the Celo Foundation's strategy and innovation team, is the first step towards this goal. The Prosperity Passport will enable holders to mint a variety of soulbound tokens, such as Authenticated User Verification SBT, Credit Score SBT, Community Reputation Score SBT, and a unique .celo domain name NFT. Prosperity Passport holders will also unlock various perks and real-world utilities from a community of Celo projects that integrate the SBT solution, such as microloans and universal basic income, reputation scores, and other products. Masa protocol makes minting and issuing soulbound tokens easy for developers by reducing the complexity of aggregating, attributing, and permissioning on-chain and off-chain attributes and data sources. The Masa protocol also makes it equally easy for existing projects to integrate SBTs into their dApps and communities. The launch of Prosperity Passport on Celo is the first practical use case of soulbound tokens for real-world utility, and the partnership between Masa and the Celo Foundation will enable Celo developers to build upon the Masa protocol, leveraging Masa as the infrastructure to easily mint SBTs for a wide variety of use cases. The vision of soulbound tokens is for a fully decentralized society to make use of non-transferable tokens that bridge on-chain and off-chain attributes, as first proposed by Vitalik Buterin in a white paper titled, Decentralized Society, Finding Web3's Soul. Masa has seen a tremendous amount of interest on testnet and mainnet launches since August, with almost 250,000 Masa soulbound identities minted, almost 300,000 Masa.soul names minted, over 800 developer signups, and over 100,000 global community members. Since its Ethereum mainnet launch in January 2023, Masa has gathered Web3 community's attention as a premier leader in the emerging soulbound token space. Prosperity Passports are officially live on Celo, and the collaboration between Masa and the Celo Foundation is expected to create an ecosystem of trust with minimal to no barrier of entry for people all over the world. The collaboration is set to attract new users to the Celo ecosystem and enable existing users to access great financial products and services, including used for universal basic income, reputation scores, and other financial products. The introduction of SBTs to Celo projects and developers is expected to lead to projects throughout the ecosystem building and integrating SBTs to their existing DeFi projects and dApps. Thank you for your attention. This was Vidi. For more information, please check the link below the video.